Analog radios have a classic feel, but let's face it, precise tuning can be a challenge. Today, we're fixing that by adding a 5-digit digital display. I'm using a 7-segment display to show the exact frequency. This requires tapping into the local oscillator of the radio and processing that signal to get a clean digital readout. Watch as I tune the analog dial. The 5-digit display updates instantly, giving us a pinpoint accurate reading of the station. It's the perfect blend of retro style and modern precision. The key idea is to take the local oscillator signal from the radio circuit. This signal is fed into a frequency counter module. The counter measures the frequency and displays the result on the 7-segment display. Depending on whether the radio is AM or FM, we may need to apply an offset correction for accurate tuning display. The frequency signal must be properly conditioned before entering the counter. In some cases, a buffer stage or signal amplifier is required to prevent loading the oscillator. The 7-segment display is driven using a multiplexing technique to reduce pin usage and power consumption. This ensures stable and flicker-free numeric output. After installation, calibration is necessary. Tune the radio to a known station frequency. Then adjust the correction factor, or offset, until the display matches the actual broadcast frequency. This step ensures accurate measurement across the entire tuning range. Now the analog radio has the best of both worlds: classic analog tuning feel and precise digital frequency indication. This upgrade significantly improves usability and gives a professional look to the radio. If you find this project useful and want to support more RF and electronics builds, subscribe to the channel and consider becoming a member. Your support helps me develop new projects and share more detailed technical content. Click the join button and be part of the next builds.
Ben dövüş. Sallallah. Her şeyin parayı 4 arasında oluşabilecek ek masraf. Sen beni bir kayıtlayacağımız bu parayla ister alın.